This mommy long legs collage is the best challenge ever! Let's see how it looks, mommy! Oh, wow! We look great! Let's post this TikTok!
Oh, time to go out! Ouch! Tiny screen! Oh, it's so uncomfortable. Finally! Oh, nice. Stretching the body is my hobby. I guess as cool as hers. Such a beautiful room that girl has. Oh no, my nails! Brand new gelish! I'm fine.
Advantages of being elastic.
Damn, I ruined the wall. Oops. But I know how to fix it. Makeover time! But first, I need my tools. I just needed 2 hands. Or maybe 3. Ah, yes, cover it all. Wow, I love those colors. Oh yeah, painting is so satisfying. Feel the paint. So soft. Handprints are always a good idea for decorating. They look so colorful. Let's add some posters. A beautiful family over here. And her favorite me. Double me. Mommy knows best. And I know what she needs. Let's see what's in my suitcase. Remember? Safety first. Only reveal your password to mommy. Wow, my collection! Woohoo! Puppy 2, my favorite. Cassettes. What do I do with them? Nobody watch them anymore. Shelves, of course. Silicone gun always works. Put some glue all over the short side of one cassette. Now stick it to another cassette. Repeat the process until you form a frame. Don't forget the column or it won't work. It's ready to use! Wow, so beautiful and practical! Let's color it! Aw, rose is my favorite. Spray paint is so funny. Now it's way much better. This shelf totally matches little me. Nice! Both fancy and comfortable. Time for a worthy nap. Huh? Blinking lights? How does this girl sleep? Someone needs a new lamp. Turn off! This cover is useless. Bye. Everybody knows bottles reflect light much better. There he goes. I need lights? Fortunately, I know where to find some. Where are you? Oh, hi, sweet dreams. There you are. Bright LEDs. Being elastic is so practical. Pop, lights inside. Let's add some details. Curtain rain looks beautiful. Something is missing. Oh, we missed clouds for the rain. Poof. Stick it all around the bottle. Don't leave any holes. Wow, it looks like a cartoon rainy cloud. Perfect to illuminate in not a single blink. Finally time to sleep a bit. Huh? Blinking lights? No! Have I told you I'm a sleepwalker? Well, my arms are like clean sleepwalker. Oh no! Ouch! Disadvantages of being a sleepwalker. Thanks, Huggy. Now you will cover the table. I hope you cannot feel the staples. First part ready. Now the short legs. Huggy has enough fur for a complete set. The staplers are perfect to stick this to the table. Wow, it looks so cozy, soft, and squishy. Now she can make some, how was it, homework without getting hurt. Let's leave it ready. Ew, Huggy! When was the last time you brushed yourself?
Hairbrush like that.
Her bed is too small, but soft. Legs? Oh no! I hate to trash my clothes! But I have an idea! Should be long enough. If you cut the foot part without the foot… cut! And find something to fill… No, I mean a good filling waist. Now fill the sock with filling enough to look like a real arm. Yes, a perfect fill. Just like Mommy's legs. Pink and long. Now let's complete the arms with some fill hands. And tie up with a hairband, like mine's. Woohoo! So cute! Nice, it's like I put on my arms. A couple of these will look great hanging off the curtain. Hello, Mommy Long Legs. Nice to meet you. High five, though. Oh, suddenly I feel the need to open the window. What a nice day. Oh, no!
Hey, can you give me a hand? She forgot me.
Poor girl. I'll give you a hand. Hold it.
Finally, I'm coming back.
You're safe now. Baby, I'll make you look just like Mommy. First, let's get rid of that boring clothes. And that skin color. Pink is always better.
I'm blind.
Calm down, baby. I'll give you new eyes just like Mommy's. And of course, beautiful lips. Your hair is also boring.
But they are not curly like yours.
It is easy with a pen. You can make some curls. We may need some color. That's what I'm talking about.
Great! What is that balloon for?
Your new trendy clothes, silly. Now let's make a complete makeover. We need arms.
Are you crazy?
Easy, it's not that difficult, darling. We'll just replace your arms with some bendable wire. Oh, cutie doggy. Pink, of course. I'm sorry, no more cutie doggy. Deflated balloons to cover the wire. We just need to insert the wire into the balloon and it automatically sticks. Now we cut the spare and stick it to your hand. Silicone gun never fail.
Wow, where did you learn this? I'm flexible now.
All ha-hack videos are worthy. Now the hairbands. And of course, some trendy shoes.
Oh, I feel like you're an adult. Thank you.
I love the hair, the legs, the arms, and of course your face. You look gorgeous just like me.
Okay, now time to go shopping. I wasn't that garden a lot of days. Oh, I'm starving. Let's find some food first. This one to the card. I love shopping. And these new arms are wonderful to do it.
Bread, water, jam. I will need some fruits also.
This card is bottomless.
Oh, sorry.
Fruits will be fine. Oh, sorry. Oh, he is so handsome.
She's so different from all the girls I know. Hi. Are these flowers too soon?
Hi. Never is too soon.
Let's go. I will show you my collection of wigs.
I did a huge mess. Looks awful. Clothes, bad clothes. Really? Where does it all come from? Do I really need to clean up all that? No. Just sit and rest. No, but it was just clothes. It was not a bench, wasn't it? A tray? Why? Oh my god! I'm stuck! I got a big butt and I cannot lie. Still uncomfortable to sit. Maybe I should make a chair out of this. I sat over here. Nope. Yes! This floaty will help. We just need to cut it in half. So satisfying. Now let's make a kind of wall to cover the tray, like this. Roll over the tray. Oh, looks great. And stick the edges. Now with a useless cloth, cover the tray so it will be soft. Make sure to stick it as if it was the skin, really tight. And then staples everywhere. The first part is done. So easy. Now find a big old pillow and fill the tray with it. Make sure it's big enough. Wow, it's so soft and flattering. Can't wait to sit on it. Let's try. Oh, finally. I can have some rest in my beautiful chair and eat an ice cream. No. Oops. Not a big problem. I will hide it under my new chair and solve it. How would they know? I love this beautiful chair, like a throne. What was it this time? These toys. Actually, I have a better use for you. Where are the triplets teddy bears? There. I hope you work out, because with this rope you will carry a lot of weight. Wow, how cool is that? Where should I hang it? Of course, the roof! I hope the tape is enough. 2 sides. Perfect. Should I add something? Oh, ideal for the style. Thanks, hand. Oh, it fits these things so nicely. Let's have a ride. Bears are so softly strong. Wow. That's my favorite song. So fast! It's almost time! Bad! Get out my way, cute pillows! I'm pretty sure she will not discover me. It won't work. There's only one way left. Huggy will pay for this. I'm so sorry, mattress. Damn, this fits perfectly. I should have one in my home. She's almost here. Hurry, cover yourself.
Mommy? What's happening here? Mommy, are you okay? Wow, handprints are awesome! Wow, so fluffy! Wow, this table is so soft! And matches the furniture over here! Wait, what? A suite in my room? Wow! Oh, this is so fun! Oh, no way! Mommy arms curtains! I love it!
My sweet child.
What? Oh, it was nothing. Oh, wow! Wow! Barbie Mommy Makeover! Wow! So realistic! But creepy. So cool. But I wonder, who did this? Anyway, time for a word nap.
Do you want a hug? Calm down, darling. It's just Mommy long legs. Yes, Mommy. Do you like our new room?
It's so soft. It feels amazing.
What's that smell? This is a job for my trusty feather. Maybe now I can get some sleep. This is pointless. Let's make a pillow out of handicrafts. I'll fold the sheet over. Now I'll draw a perfect semicircle. I think I know what will help me to do that. All I need is a thread and a marker. I need to tie a marker and draw an even circle. That looks good. Next, I need to cut it out. I'll just follow the lines. I'll remove the middle section. I can open up the sheet. Wow! I hope you now understand that I want to make a donut. I'll put another sheet on top and stitch them together. It's just like frosting. It can go on top. This is making me hungry. Let's set some sprinkles. Every donut needs sprinkles. Just call me Donut Bae. I think it's ready. Wow, I'm in love with this. Oh, it's so squishy. I can feel my stress just melting away. I could do this all day. Even that rich girl would be jealous of my pillow. Wow! Woohoo! I'm getting dizzy. Let's try out my new pillow. Oh, it's so comfortable to sleep now.
Eating chips is thirsty work. I love soda. Oops. Nice one.
What happened? Where did that come from? Huh? I might have guessed. Wait, I can use this to my advantage. It's good to recycle. All it needs is a coat of paint and fill it with colored water. Wow, looks amazing. I should be an artist. That's what I need. I'll cut a circle out of this cardboard. Yeah! Wow! You can draw anything you like on cardboard. I'll obviously have Harley. Wow, I like it so much. What about you? I'll place the holes over the bottles. It's a perfect fit. Whee! My very own table! Wow, the table turned out cooler than 5-Minute Crafts made it.
I love ice cream. I think I'll watch my favorite channel.
Oh, I want that jar. I have big plans for it. I'll cut the handle off the spoon. Then add a little glue. Now I can stick it to the jar. I'll add more spoons. I want to cover the jar completely. But it needs some color. Perfect. Let's set the light. Wow. Fairy lights are so magical. Wow, look how bright it is. This can go on my table. My room is even cozier now. Is it morning already? The floor is so cold.
Hey, Harley.
Oh, you scared me. I need you. And this sneaker. First, I need to remove the laces from my sneaker. Okay, Huggy, make yourself comfortable. You're so silly. That didn't go to plan. We need to think about this. I better make a call.
Express delivery, how can I help you?
Hello? I need your help. It's urgent. Oh, you're here. This is for you.
Ooh, candy! You got a deal.
Let me see the merchandise. Wow.
That's it, I have to go.
Just don't tell your dentist. This is perfect. It's time for a sneaker makeover. I'll put the fur around my sneaker. I don't want any gaps. Now for the finishing touches. These are handy. Get it? And now they're ready. Customized sneakers. They're so exclusive. And furry. Let's try them on. The old TikTok trend comes in handy right here. But I can't have one sneaker. I need another. Just like this one. Hey, Kissy Missy. I didn't want Huggy to be lonely. Oh, I love them so much. And them keep my feet nice and warm. No more cold floors. Oh, those spider webs make me sick. Get out of here, spider. This is my bed. It's like making cotton candy. Except I won't be eating this. Ugh, so gross. Ooh, this could be very useful. I have an idea. I don't even know what I would do if it wasn't for my glue gun. I'll put the glue onto the skewer. Then I'll stick it to the back of this mirror. Now for the rest. I'll arrange them in a pattern. Let's set some details. This gold rope is perfect. I'll just stick it around the edge of the mirror. Please don't look at my nails. I missed my manicure appointment. All done. Now I can hang it on the wall. This ugly picture can go. Now I have something pretty to look at. My reflection. Wow, so beautiful. And it was so easy to make. I've got a date with Joker tonight. Amazing.